Welcome to Samba Live. Today we'll have a look at the live streaming feature. This option allows you to broadcast your live videos on Facebook and also on YouTube without the need to install any additional software. To start, click on Meet Now, then tap on the live streaming icon on the left. Here select the platform where you want to start your live stream. Let's start with Facebook. Now head to your Facebook page and click on Create Live. Facebook will give you three options: use Stream Key, use Camera, or use Pair Encoder. Select Use Stream Key. Then scroll down and copy the Stream Key. Now return to Samba Live and paste it in the empty box. Then click on Start Stream. Now that you're connected, return to your Facebook page. Add a title and a description, and you're good to go. You can start your live by clicking on Go Live. To end your session, simply click on End Live Video. And don't forget to do the same also on Samba Live. Now it's time for YouTube. Select it from the drop-down menu, then head to your YouTube page. Log in and select Go Live from the Create icon. Now you're in the YouTube studio. Click on the stream icon on the left. On your stream page, scroll down and copy the stream key. Now all you have to do is go back to Samba Live and copy-paste the sequence in the empty box. Now you can start your stream. Now that you're back on your YouTube page, you'll notice that the live icon is on. If you want to end your session, simply click on End Stream. And then do the same on Samba Live. As you can see, broadcasting live events is easy. Join our happy customers that create amazing live events thanks to Samba Live. And if you have further questions, feel free to write us down in the comments.